Friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Steeler XLM in the previous last 1 hour, in the previous last 2 hour, and what is the best time to sell, buy or hold Steeler XLM. So before starting this interesting video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of new updates and videos. So let's see the live price prediction of Steeler XLM. What's the price change occur in the Steeler XLM, and according to the price change we depend as it a best time sale, buy or hold Steeler XLM. As you can see here the previous last 2 hour price prediction, so it's still as there. As you can see here the graph falls down for a little time and take a jump, falls down for a little time and take a jump. It's a continuously process of the Steeler XLM. In the start of every month, every cryptocurrencies they have a falls down for a little time, take a jump in the every new month. So don't afraid by this small falls of Steeler XLM. Soon they are in negative positive. As you can see here the changes, the high jump of the Steeler XLM are coming soon. You should have to hold Steeler XLM with the end of this month and take a good amount and make a good amount of profit with the Steeler XLM. So my suggestion for all of XLM holders, hold your XLM and make a good amount of profit in the future. As you can see here the currently changes is about positive 0.86% change occur in the Steeler XLM in the previous 2 hour, and the high price of Steeler XLM is about $0.456873 is the high price of Steeler XLM in the previous 2 hour. Now let's see the live price prediction of previous last 1 hour. What's the price change occur in the Steeler XLM in the previous last 1 hour, friends? As you can see now on the graph, after a small falls their jumping period is started. As you can see now currently at this time they are jumping. So don't afraid by the small falling of the Steeler XLM in the start of every month. So it is the start of new month, that is why they fall down for a later time, because a lot of people want to sell it and a very maximum people want to buy Steeler XLM. That is why they take a small jump in this time, as you can see here. So if we see the changes of the Steeler XLM in the previous last 1 hour, so the changes is about positive 1.08% change occur in the Steeler XLM in the last 1 hour, and the price of Steeler is about $0.456873 is the high price of Steeler XLM in the previous last 1 hour. That is a live price prediction of previous last 2 hour, last 1 hour. You are watching now on ABS Tech channel. If you want more this kind of news and update about cryptocurrencies market, so please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel.